Did you know that over 30 million Americans have kidney disease, but many don't even realize it? The secret to preventing and even reversing this trend could be as simple as a vitamin you've probably heard of but underestimated. Today, we're diving into how this common vitamin not only halts proteinuria, a key indicator of kidney damage, but can also repair and rejuvenate your kidneys, ensuring they function smoothly. Let's get started on this life-changing journey and uncover how to protect your kidneys with a nutrient you encounter every day. Understanding proteinuria and kidney health. 1. Proteinuria explained. Proteinuria occurs when there's too much protein, specifically albumin, in your urine. Normally, your kidneys filter waste from your blood while retaining essential nutrients like proteins. When these proteins slip into your urine, it's a sign that your kidney's filtering system may be damaged. This condition can range from mild to severe and often serves as an early warning for potential kidney issues. 2. The role of kidneys. Your kidneys are vital for your overall health, acting as a filtration system for your body. They remove waste and excess fluids from your blood, which then exit your body as urine. Beyond waste removal, kidneys play a crucial role in balancing bodily fluids, regulating electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, and maintaining blood pressure. They ensure your body's internal environment is stable and healthy, which is essential for all bodily functions. 3. Implications of proteinuria. Finding proteins in your urine isn't just a sign of current kidney damage, it's also an indicator of potential future health risks. Proteinuria can lead to a progressive decline in kidney function, eventually resulting in chronic kidney disease, CKD, or even end-stage renal disease, ESRD. Moreover, it increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases, as the kidneys play a significant role in blood pressure regulation. Recognizing and addressing proteinuria early can be key to preventing these severe health outcomes. The hidden danger of proteinuria. 1. Causes of proteinuria. The primary culprits behind proteinuria are often chronic conditions like diabetes and hypertension. Diabetes can lead to a specific kind of kidney damage known as diabetic nephropathy, where high blood sugar levels harm the kidney's filtering system. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, puts extra strain on the kidneys over time, damaging their ability to filter blood effectively. Both conditions can disrupt the delicate balance the kidneys must maintain, leading to protein leakage into urine. 2. A hidden danger. One of the most deceptive aspects of proteinuria is its silence in the early stages. Many people with proteinuria experience no symptoms, making it a hidden danger. Without symptoms to prompt a medical checkup, this condition can go unnoticed and unaddressed until more serious signs and symptoms develop, by which time significant kidney damage may have already occurred. 3. Untreated proteinuria consequences. If left untreated, proteinuria can escalate into chronic kidney disease, CKD, a condition where the kidneys lose their filtering ability over time. This progression can lead to end-stage renal disease, ESRD, requiring dialysis or a kidney transplant. Additionally, proteinuria is linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular issues. Since the kidneys play a vital role in blood pressure regulation, damage to them can result in hypertension, a major risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. Underscoring the importance of early detection and treatment. Vitamin D, the kidney protector 1. Vitamin D's role. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in battling proteinuria and aiding kidney repair. Studies have shown that maintaining adequate levels of this nutrient can significantly reduce protein levels in urine, a common sign of kidney distress. By bolstering the kidney's ability to filter and retain essential proteins, vitamin D is pivotal in both preventing and mitigating proteinuria. 2. Scientific basis. The beneficial impacts of vitamin D on kidney health are backed by science. Its regulation of the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, RAAS, is particularly noteworthy. By inhibiting renin production, vitamin D helps lower blood pressure and alleviate stress on the kidneys, thus preventing the leakage of proteins into the urine. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory properties combat kidney inflammation, offering another layer of protection and support for kidney repair. 3. Sources and importance. Sunlight is a primary source of vitamin D with just 30 minutes of midday sun exposure several times a week providing significant amounts. Dietary sources include fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, egg yolks, and fortified foods such as milk and cereal, offering varied options for intake. Adequate levels of vitamin D, recommended at 600–800 IU daily for most adults, are essential for not just kidney health, but overall bodily function, highlighting the nutrient's comprehensive benefits. Implementing vitamin D in your diet. 1. Increasing vitamin D intake. To boost your vitamin D levels, seek sunlight exposure for 10-30 minutes several times a week, eat vitamin D-rich foods, and consider supplements if necessary. This three-pronged approach ensures you're getting enough of this essential nutrient to support kidney health and more. 2. Vitamin D-rich foods and recommendations. Include fatty fish like salmon, over 500 IU per serving, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks in your diet. For most adults, a daily intake of 600-800 IU of vitamin D is recommended, but needs can vary based on age, health status, and exposure to sunlight. 3. Risks of excessive intake. While vitamin D is crucial, too much can lead to toxicity, causing calcium buildup and damage to the heart and kidneys. The upper safe limit is set at 4,000 IU per day for adults. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you're considering doses beyond daily recommendations. This ensures your approach to boosting vitamin D intake is both safe and effective. Studies and research. 1. Studies on vitamin D and kidney health. Research has shown significant benefits of vitamin D for kidney function. One study found that individuals with chronic kidney disease who took vitamin D supplements saw a 20% reduction in proteinuria compared to those who didn't supplement. This highlights vitamin D's role in protecting kidney health. 2. Research on vitamin D's mechanisms. Studies delve into how vitamin D affects the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, RAS, with findings indicating that vitamin D can lower blood pressure by reducing renin production. This lessens the strain on kidneys and helps prevent protein from leaking into urine, showcasing the scientific basis behind vitamin D's kidney protective effects. 3. Recommended daily allowances. Based on research, the recommended daily intake of vitamin D, set at 600-800 IU for most adults, is based on extensive research aimed at maximizing health benefits while minimizing risks. These guidelines are designed to help maintain optimal kidney function and overall health, according to studies. 4. The importance of professional guidance. Engaging with healthcare providers is crucial, as they can offer personalized advice based on your health status, dietary habits, and sun exposure. This personalized approach ensures you get the right amount of vitamin D without risking toxicity, as excessive intake can harm rather than help. And there you have it, friends. A deep dive into how vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, stands guard for your kidneys, fighting off proteinuria and aiding in their repair. We've unpacked the science, explored how to enrich your diet with this vital nutrient, and underscored the importance of striking the right balance. Remember, your health journey is unique, and vitamin D is just one piece of the puzzle in maintaining your kidney health and overall wellness. If you found this information helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Smash that like button to let us know, hit subscribe to stay updated with more health tips, and share this video to spread the word on protecting our kidneys with simple, everyday choices. Got questions or insights? Drop us a comment below. We love hearing from you and learning together. Here's to your health and a brighter, vitamin D-enriched future.